What's good with the chat? It's Mac and I am back for another video. Today is day 9 of Vlogmas. So, you know, clap it up everybody. We are on day 9. We've made it to day 9 of Vlogmas. Today we are going to be making a custom tapestry bomber jacket, or what do you guys call these? What do you guys call them? Bomber jacket, Leatherman jacket, varsity jacket. I don't know. It's gonna be toddlers. It's gonna be a 5T. And we got our tapestry fabric. It is gonna be Spidey themed. We're also going to be lining the fabric. So I have some nice satin red fabric. And we also have our template that we are gonna be using. So let's just get straight into it. Let's get it. Our first line of business is to lay our fabric out. And we are gonna start cutting our panels. We are gonna start cutting our back panels and then our 2 front panels. So we're just gonna lay out, I want this like Spidey and Friends graphic to be on the back of the jacket. So I'm gonna lay the back down and we are gonna cut out all the panels. So it's gonna be the back, 2 front panels, both sleeves, and we're gonna add also this ribbed material that we have to the neck and to the sleeves. So we're gonna lay all this nice and flat to get it all cut out, and then we'll get sewing together. So bang, bada boom, we got our back piece. I'm gonna cut off the fringe. Oh, should I leave the fringes on this one? And then I think these 2 pieces are going to be the front 2 pieces. Alright, y'all, so we got all of the panels cut out. So this is the back panel. These are the 2 front panels. I don't know if I want to leave the fringe. I don't know if I'm going to leave the fringes on or not, but I might cut them off. I think they look really cool, but who knows. And then I also have the 2 sleeves. Now that I got the tapestry fabric cut out, since I am going to line it, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the lining as well. Alright, y'all, so I got all the panels plus the lining cut out. Now it's time to start constructing everything together. So starting with the sleeves, we can put to the side. We are going to start with the both front panels and then the back panel. Again, the back panel, then we have both of the front panels. All we are going to do is connect the top shoulder line. And we're going to do that for the tapestry fabric and the lining. Alright, y'all, so we got the first half of the jacket all done. So we got the front and back panels all together, and then we also have the sleeves coming out super cute. I wish this was my size because I would definitely keep it. Anyways, we got the tapestry fabric, or the outer fabric, done. Now we're gonna go in and do the same exact thing for the liner. So attaching the front and back, attaching the sleeves, pressing it all down, making sure that's all nice and neat, and then we're going to attach it all together. Alright, y'all, so I was in the middle of recording and my gimbal on my DJI took a fall and broke. So that's where I'm at right now. Gotta laugh the pain away. But lucky my wife has a DJI too, so I get to finish this video at least. But highly upset about this, y'all. But we are bound to finish this project. Alright, yeah, so we got the lining all done and the tapestry part all done. So now what we are going to do is attach it just by kind of laying it out flat. I'm also decided not to add any ribbing just because I don't have any, but I am gonna go ahead and fold up the seams by the waistband and then also by the wrist. I'm just gonna fold that up, press it, and then just do a simple single stitch. All right, y'all, so I got the wrists all hemmed up and the bottom of the jacket all hemmed up, but I am gonna stop there just because I'm in a bad mood and I want to stop and go crawl up in bed because I'm mad. Tomorrow we're going to finish it off by connecting the sleeve and the side, also fixing up the collar here a little bit, and then adding some buttons. I haven't decided, maybe a button, maybe a zipper. I'm not sure. Should I add a collar because I'm not doing? Ooh, I might add a collar, y'all. Decisions, I'll sleep on it. But let me know how you guys are liking it so far. I'm thinking it's turning out cute. Like, I really wish I could fit this because, I don't know, I might order it and might make myself one because why not? All right, y'all, so it is currently the next day and I'm feeling somewhat better about my whole camera situation. But we need to finish this up. See, I wanted to add a collar. The only thing is I don't have a pattern for a collar. Okay, y'all, so I did find this collar that we are going to use as a pattern and we are going to add it. We got our fabric. Now, the only hard part is like, okay, should I use the rest of the graphic that I have? I might be able to use this little blue part. Oh yeah, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna sew it. I'm gonna show you how. All right, yeah, so I got my collar piece all cut out. In one of my videos, someone commented saying that I should have used interfacing for a collar. I did. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna put it on one side of the collar piece and then we are going to sew 3 of the edges together, leaving the bottom kind of open. So then we can flip this back out. We're gonna top stitch it and then we are going to attach it to the jacket. So now I am just going to press this and then I'm going to do a nice top stitch on it and then we're going to attach it to the jacket. Got the collar all done. Now we are going to attach it before we even attach the sleeves and the side. We're just going to go ahead, line this up and sew it all the way around and we're going to hope for the best. So we ran into a small problem. I attached the collar and I hate the way that it looks. So first of all, the front piece here is just way too long. Let me face it towards you. Like, so the way that it sits, it's like way too far from this edge, which I think on this side, it looks totally fine. I'm going to pull it in and do a little bit of that, but this side is way too long. So what I'm going to do is actually, instead of taking the whole collar off and redoing the whole collar, just because we have limited fabric, we are just going to go ahead and take this side in a little bit more. So it actually matches up with this side here. Again, then I'm going to fold and kind of finish that off. And then I think it should look fine. Fingers crossed. All right, y'all, so I believe we got it fixed. I think that looks so much better. The next step that we are going to do is finally close up everything. I'm also going to add a little CMAC tag there. And I'm going to, oh, I also got to add the buttons. After we add the buttons, I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Yeah. Bruh. Now I'm just going to iron it, add the buttons, and we're almost done. All right, y'all, and just like that, this came out super, super cute. Oh my goodness. I didn't think it was gonna come out that good, but like, mind blown. It came out that good. You guys gotta let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups right here, but let me know what you guys think down in the comment section right now. All right, y'all gotta let me know what you guys think after those close-ups. This came out really, really good. This is going to be for sale. If you guys want to DM me on my Instagram, that's going to be at cmac.31. It is a 5T. Let me know if you guys want to buy it. Just hit me up over there. Other than that, make sure you guys drop that like, comment down below what you guys would like to see next. As always, stay positive, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye. Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.